Hey, it's Ryan from upfitsupply.com, and in this video we're going to be unboxing a drop-down ladder rack mount kit from Holman for Ford Transit vans. Let's get into it. All right, this is going to be the mount kit that you need to install on your Ford Transit van if you're going to be putting a Holman drop-down ladder rack on it. So for example, the van behind me is a Ford Transit mid-roof, and we want to have a drop-down ladder rack on that van because it's so tall. The crossbar ladder racks and those clamp ladder racks and those cargo carriers are kind of hard to load from the ground when you've got the mid-roof and high-roof vans. And so we want to put a drop-down ladder rack, which is going to drop down the ladder on the side of the van so we can easily load that just from the side and then use a little bar, raise it back up on top of the roof. And to install that ladder rack is you need a vehicle-specific mount kit. They make them for the Kargo Master, for the Sprinter, for the Transit. They're different kits, and then the actual drop-down mechanism itself is usually the same. There might be a little bit of difference depending on the height of the van, but for the most part, it's the same drop-down mechanism. But you do need a vehicle-specific mount kit, which allows you to attach that to the vehicle. So we have the 409TD, which is the Ford Transit mount kit from Holman, and let's get into it. All right, a couple of things I want to point out right here on top is, number one, we have our Holman installation guide. One of the things I love about Holman is they give you the full illustrated installation guide in the box. No QR code to scan or anything like that, so it's great. Illustrated visuals to help you figure out where exactly this gets mounted on the vehicle and so on. It also has a full parts list on the first page, as well as a tools list, so you can figure out what exactly should be in this box. Missing a piece of hardware, you can easily identify what that is so we can get you a replacement shipped ASAP. The other thing we have right here on top is the Holman warranty. So Holman comes with a 3-year factory warranty. You just need to make sure that you purchase it from an authorized Holman retailer like upfitsupply.com to take advantage of that. Now, we've got a couple of different components here. Looks like we do have some hardware. Looks like we do have some spacer blocks of some sort. Let's go ahead and open this up. This is some type of composite spacer material. We've got 4 of them in here, and then it looks like we have some thinner spacers in this bag. Let's open that up. We have some, no, these are actually like a rubber material. Got quite a few of these, 8 of them. Then we do have all of our hardware right here. This does look like it is galvanized. Some nice hardware right here, everything that you need to attach this and assemble it. And then what's here in this little box? All right, looks like they do give us some sealant or adhesive. Sometimes you're gonna put sealant in between 2 pieces that connect together to keep water from getting into various crevices and so on like that. So they give it to you in the kit. They don't expect you to just have, you know, industrial strength adhesive on the shelf. So nice thing about Holman is they give you everything that you need. All right, we do have a bunch of brackets here. These look like some feet. This is going to be a steel product. It's powder coated in this white finish. It's going to match the same color as the ladder rack. You know, pretty much all these drop-down ladder racks come in white to match traditional white work vans. So we've got a couple of mounting feet right here. Looks like we have another mounting foot right here. And another here. More angle brackets, a couple of them right here. Nice design here with a countersunk hole. You have a nice flush mounting surface right there. We do have some longer brackets. And this feels pretty light to be steel, but I just wonder if it's aluminum, but either way, powder coated finished, resist rust, all of that. And we do have 2 of these. Not entirely sure how this installs yet. We're going to be putting this on the Ford Transit behind me. So if you're interested in how to attach this mount kit to your Transit and then install the ladder rack later, we're going to be doing that full installation on video on the van behind me. So be sure to check out that video if you are interested. So this is pretty much everything that you get. A few brackets here, some hardware, and this is gonna attach to the vehicle Then you're gonna purchase the drop-down ladder rack itself. It's going to attach to this mount kit, and it's gonna be relatively straightforward. They're gonna give you all the installation instructions that you need in the box. Now, if you're looking for this mount kit or the ladder rack or any other equipment to get your van or truck ready for work, be sure to check us out at upfitsupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan. Have a good one.